How to log in to LiteBlue USPS account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how you can log in to your LiteBlue USPS payroll account. But before we begin, let me quickly introduce you to LiteBlue USPS. It's an online portal designed exclusively for United States Postal Service employees, allowing them to access the company internal network and services. So make sure to watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's get started. So first, open any preferred web browser on your computer, and in the search bar simply type lightblue.usps.gov and simply hit enter. And after that, you will be directed to the official page of LiteBlue USPS. And once you are inside the website, you can simply click on the sign in button, and after that you will be prompted to the employee login page. Now on the first login page, simply enter your employee ID provided by USPS, and once you're done with that, you can simply click on next. And on the next page, you can see the option labeled password, and under that you can see the empty box. So simply click on that and enter your account password. And if you have forgotten your password, you can simply click on password recovery and follow the instruction to reset it. And once you have entered your credentials correctly, you can simply click on verify, and after that you will be logged in to the LiteBlue USPS account automatically. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.